Hey everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you through the process how to fix Apple Pencil 2 pressure sensitivity not working. Okay. So guys, if you are facing this issue, don't worry. We are going to solve this issue by each step. So first of all, check the tip of the Apple Pencil 2. Gently unscrew and remove the tip of the Apple Pencil 2 by twisting it counterclockwise. Examine the tip for any sign of wear, flattering, or damage that may affect the functionality. Use a soft lint-free cloth to wipe the tip clean of any debris or buildup that could interfere with its sensitivity. Carefully screw the tip back into the Apple Pencil 2 by twisting it clockwise until it is securely in the place. And after reattaching the tip, test Apple Pencil 2 in a drawing app to see if the pressure sensitivity issue has been resolved. Okay. So our second step is check for battery and connection. Ensure that the Apple Pencil 2 is fully charged by connecting it to the iPad using the magnetic attachment or lightning a cable. Okay. Confirm that Apple Pencil 2 is securely connected to the iPad if using a magnetic attachment. Make sure it's properly aligned and attached. Then our third step is update your iPad or OS. Ensure your iPad is backup connected to the power and Wi-Fi. So how to connect this? Go to Open and General, then Software Update. If update is available, then download and install. Ensure your passcode and follow prompt to complete the update. Okay. Then our fourth step is test with different app. If your Apple Pencil 2 didn't work properly, you can try test with different apps. Choose a variety of drawing or note-taking app with Asus App Store to test the Apple Pencil 2 functionality. Launch the selected app your iPad where you are experiencing the pressure sensitivity issue. Use the Apple Pencil 2 in each app to draw line of varying thickness and intensity to access pressure sensitivity. Note any differences in a pressure sensitivity performance across different apps. Okay, this is our all step. Thanks guys.